I just got this sock aid kit in. It comes with the sock aid itself and the shoehorn. I was just gonna show you how to use it real quick. It's great for people with low mobility. I have a lot of trouble getting my right sock on sometimes. So basically you just take it and feed your sock on, just like this. You kind of work it on there. You don't always have to get it all the way on there, but I usually just do it all the way I can, like that. Just like that. And now I'll show you how to do the second half of it. You basically just slide your foot in there like that, and you know, at the other end you're pulling this, and then your sock's on. Makes it much easier. And then once you're ready to put your shoe on, you can open your shoe up, and then you use the shoehorn and kind of help get the back end of your shoe in there. So that's how it is.